Hello, this is Chris from QuadShot Software with the first in our series of videos on OpenTickets Community Edition. In this first video I'm going to show you what you need to do, the requirements that we have so that you can run our base OpenTickets Community Edition. I've got here in front of me a fresh install of the latest version of WordPress. I've also uploaded the images that I will be using later on during the course of these tutorials to demonstrate how you configure and set up OpenTickets. The first thing we're going to need to do is to install WooCommerce. OpenTickets Community Edition is built on the framework of WooCommerce, so that's an essential requirement before we start. So I'm in the Plugins tab. I'm going to add new, and I'm going to search for WooCommerce. There it is, and I'm going to click Install Now to install WooCommerce. It installs very quickly, and now I'm going to activate the plugin. A recent change that WooCommerce made was having activated the plugin, it then takes you to a little wizard that helps you configure it. I strongly urge you to configure at this time. So I'm going to click the Let's Go button. The first thing it's going to tell me is the pages it's going to create for the various things we need in WooCommerce. You should leave these alone and accept the defaults as they will work perfectly okay. The next thing we need to do is to set up the store locale. Now I'm in the United States, in the state of Nevada, so I'm going to scroll down here in this first field and select Nevada. I'm happy to have the currency as US dollars and to use imperial measures of pounds and inches, so I'm going to continue there. At this point I'm not going to set up any tax, and because we're going to be selling tickets on this website, I'm going to bypass that as well. So without checking any options there, just click Continue. And I'm going to elect to have these payments enabled within WooCommerce for customers buying my tickets. You can disable them later on and add new ones as you choose. It says your store is ready, and so if you go to the Create First Product, it takes you to a little wizard where you can create the first product name. As this tutorial video is just about installation, I'm going to bypass that, and that will be dealt with in the next video. I'm going to go back to the Plugins tab, and I'm now going to add our base OpenTickets Community Edition. So again, I click Add New, and in the search for plugins, I enter OpenTickets Community Edition. And there it is, and I'm going to choose to install, and I'm going to choose to activate. If you are willing to share statistics about how your site is used, which will help us better manage the product and possibly build enhancements, then by all means click the Yes box. As this is only a test site, I'm going to click Dismiss because that's all I need. And there you have it. We have the two plugins that we need, the latest version of WooCommerce and the latest version of OpenTickets Community Edition installed and ready to go and ready to set up our first event.